So today I'm going to talk to you about the BOYA Magic Microphone, and it's more than just a single microphone. It's actually 3 microphones, and it's very unique. Right now I'm just going to show you quickly what comes in the box and how it goes together, what it looks like, that sort of thing. And then I'm going to give you several real-world examples in some harsh environments and show you what's really magic about it. So as you can see, it comes with 2 lapel mics and a charger that's actually a microphone as well. So it kind of doubles that way. You can see here that you've got the charging port on the back. You've got various windscreens. This is a dead cat. You got the normal windscreen. You also have windscreens for each of the lapels as well. And they work very, very well. And just so you know, I'm doing all this voiceovers and everything with the microphone.
I wanted to just quickly show you some test footage using the BOYA Magic Microphone. And this is fairly new. It comes bundled different ways. The version that I got is a USB-C receiver, 2 lapel mics, and a handheld mic, which it doubles as a charger. And apologies for my hand holding here of my camera, but you can see the lapel mic on my shirt right now. What's really different and unique about this this microphone, there's a couple of things that are unique. The configuration is really cool. That's different, but they have trained an AI model for noise reduction that will it's literally sampled thousands of background noise samples in real world situations and have developed algorithms to decide how to clean up noise while it's being recorded in real time. So right now I have it in standard mode. And I'm in a car with an air conditioner on max basically. And I'm going to click this. Now it's switched over to the AI mode. I haven't tested this yet, so I don't know if that made any difference or not, but I think that it probably does, because there's so much ambient noise in this car right now. The fact that I'm in traffic, I also have air conditioner blowing from behind me and on both sides of the camera, straight at me, pretty much straight at the microphone now that I think about it. This should be a heck of a test, and very real world, because this is one of the things that I've had issues with using my other mics and other scenarios, cameras, is having to let the car cool off before I could actually make a video because of the background noise. Some editing software has helped me clean that up a little bit, but this should be great because it's doing it in real time. So I'm really eager to hear it. I did see the demos from the manufacturer, and if it's anything like that, I will be very impressed. And these are very economical. I mean, what you're getting for the price is crazy. And if it sounds as good as my initial test with the handheld, it sounds really, really good. So this is a test with the AI on. This is without the AI. So you tell me what you think. I mean, are you impressed with the difference in quality, or just the quality in general? I'll give you my opinion at the end of the video when I have a chance to look at this footage. But I thought this is the perfect scenario to test this out. This is a test with the iPhone Pro Max 15 through the front camera without the BOYA mic that I was testing. So this is what it would sound like if you did not have a lapel mic at all. And so you can compare this to the AI emulation and the non-AI versions of the videos that I've shot and see what you think.
All right, testing with no sound reduction or sound noise reduction.
What are you doing?
My dad is asking me what I'm doing back here.
Who is that?
What?
Hello?
Hello,
Who's talking?
it's me. I'm just testing this microphone.
Oh,
And this microphone has no noise reduction now. Now I'm going to turn it on. In this scenario, I don't think that you actually need the noise reduction on because it's pretty quiet in here other than the echo and refrigerator. So you may just not need to turn it on in this situation, but I wanted to go ahead and try it.
So to sum up, I really like this mic. It is everything it's advertised to be, and the AI functionality works wonderful. I can see myself using this a ton and probably exclusively while shooting in the car with air conditioning or any kind of ambient noise. It really does a great job. So I think anybody that's looking to up their game, this microphone is highly recommended, and I suggest you go out and take a look yourself. It's the BOYA Magic Microphone.